No! We don't not Disney because it's raining. That is the best time to Disney. Anyone else feel like the big reveal at Animal Kingdom is a little lackluster from the rest of the park icons? I do. Maybe it's because it's just a tree.
To the next adventure they go. Thank you so much for joining us.
There are literally never monkeys out when I'm here. And there's a monkey. What? Guys, don't let not having a fast pass for major tier attractions discourage you, because you can get them last minute. I just got a fast pass for Expedition Everest 5 minutes ago, and my fast pass redemption time is like right now, within 10 minutes of getting it. So just keep refreshing. Look how ridiculously slow this land is. Are you kidding me? Disney, bring the cat in here and knock this whole thing down and build us something cool. Indiana Jones, that would be great. Something other than this.
He's the one that's funded our expedition. That's why we're here.
That's right. Cool beans too, thank you.
Aqua collection. I don't know, I kind of like it. Okay, so I love Disney merch, but please tell me, what can you do with that? It is so small. Hey guys, didn't expect that, did you? I'm back at my home studio and I was editing my vlog from Animal Kingdom and I realized that I should probably set up the scenario a little bit better. The clips kind of didn't make sense. And what happened was I was in the park and then I left the park to go back to my car. I needed to get my backup battery. My stuff was dying, so I needed to go get it. And so it was raining when I got there. It stopped raining. It became a beautiful day. You've seen some of those shots in the video. It was absolutely beautiful. And then it started raining again. So that's the setup for what you're about to see. Sorry I had to come in and, make this little video clip just to explain it, but I felt that was the best way to tell the story. Great here at DAC. Towards Magic Kingdom, not so much. Wonder how my friends Bob and Ashley are doing at Not So Scary. Might be raining. They're at Carousel of Progress now, so they probably don't know. So we'll find out. So that was fun. We got to hang out at Animal Kingdom this afternoon. Rode Expedition Everest. Seen a lot of the good street performers. That band in Africa was unbelievable. That singer was just phenomenal. I love this park. This park is fun to pass the time. Yeah, Flight of Passage is definitely still the #1 attraction in Orlando. Don't even try unless you get a fast pass, because you will be there for 2 hours. But other than that, it was fun. Until next time, stay magical, y'all. See this? Don't be that person. Don't throw diapers in the Disney parking lot. Don't throw diapers anywhere. That's just not cool. Not cool at all.